be there, and then you be like, now how am I going to make a video of rather how will people come to my inbox? Because you don't need to post anywhere on this TikTok a number, because when you put there anything that that relates of a telephone number or anything that is related to money, they will automatically delete the video. So now this is how you are going to do it to get people into your inbox. You come to your profile down here like this, then when you have gone to your profile, you come to edit profile. Hope you're seeing that. But now for me, mine is already done. The name is already there, but now this bio is the one I want you may edit, because this bio is where you're going to put your number. As you can see, I'll put the nsomesa okukola sente ku kasimu ko, then I've put there the number. But I hope you are seeing the format I've used to write the number. You just write and mix it with symbols such that TikTok doesn't recognize it as a telephone number, because when you just write there maybe +2567867, just the way your number appears, they will delete your video. So this is simply how you're going to do it. You write it in that way, then after that you do what? You save it. So mine is already there, that's why this part of save is inactive. So after that you are done. You'll be now just posting every day. Every time you receive a screenshot of any earning from me, you just come and search for my name, get to any video, select there the sound that you would like to use, then you keep on enjoying. I bet provided you keep on doing this, you're going to really enjoy. So let's get to start doing that. As we share our link, we are going to really enjoy this. I wish you the best.